Hello everyone and welcome to Yoka's Polka. I am Yoka, your night owl. So, for today's plan with me, I will be using this Agenda 52 sticker book, and you can see that I already used like some of the stickers, but not a lot of them. I will also be using some of these Amazon stickers that I've had for a while now, and I haven't really ventured into it for quite a while, so I figured today would be a perfect day to bring them back out. So these are the 4 stickers that I decided to use, and I believe the first 3 are from Sumikko Gurashi, but the white one, I'm not too sure what it's from, but I figured it kind of went with the whole theme, so I just decided to use it. So to start with, I went ahead and placed that big white sticker right on the left side of the planner spread, and then I took this shopping list because I really needed it for this week, since this week was pretty huge. I had a couple guests coming over on Friday through Sunday, so the big ones were Jojo's parents and also his childhood friends, so it was a pretty stressful week. And anytime my in-laws come over, I get very, very nervous. So I figured, this week is going to be kind of stressful. So I wanted to make it very cute. And when my planner is all cute, it kind of makes, the things that I have to do a little bit less worrisome, and it makes me feel better. The sticker book had these really thin washi strips, which I really liked, and I figured I would use 2 of them. So I used that blue washi tape, and then right on top I put that gold one, and I just cut it off using my credit card. I wanted to also place some sort of quote sticker next to the white animal because I figured it really looked like it was saying something, so I figured I would go with the hip hip hooray, and it looks really cute. So lately when I've been doing my plan with me's, I've been kind of all over the place, and I don't work left to right anymore. I feel like in my older videos that's what I would do, is strictly work left to right, but now I'm kind of all over the place, so I kind of have a hard time explaining what I'm doing because I don't even know what I'm doing. But basically what I've done is I placed 2 to-do sections already done. So you see like there's 2 to-do boxes that are ready to be filled out, and then right below it I went with the same washi strips, but just like instead of blue I went with the pink one, and then I did the same trick and I just laid it right across the entire page. And then right there I just decided to place a quote sticker, and I left some of the white space because it didn't really bug me at all. In fact, I feel like it works better when sometimes it's not all covered. I feel like before that was another thing I would do, is try to make sure everything was covered. But now I don't really care if there's white strips showing. It's okay with me. I then took the other big sticker and I placed it right in between Tuesday and Wednesday so it would cover up a lot of the boxes. And then I started to just choose like random mini stickers for the rest of my to-do list for Tuesday. I tried to pick stickers that would correspond with the things that I had to do, and I figured that was a great way to use up some of these smaller stickers that I don't really know what to do with, so it worked out. So for the right side of the planner, I decided to use these thicker washi strips that the sticker book came with, and I just went ahead and chose one of them, and then I did the same thing and laid it across the entire planner section, and then I just used my credit card to cut off the rest. I then chose this really big horizontal sticker to be placed on Friday and Saturday, since Friday is when Jojo's parents come over, so I wanted to make sure I had a big box that would, scream in my face that that day is a huge day, and it really worked. Thursday was going to be a really big day for me, especially since I had 3 major things to do, which was to film, edit, and clean my entire house. So I decided to use 2 stickers. One was a circle and one was a box, and that was specifically for my film and edit. And right below it I decided to do a cleaning checklist, and I really like to add my cleaning checklist in my planner because It just gives me a reason to really open it up, and I love checking off my to-dos and especially checklists, so it makes me feel better. The sticker book also came with a really cool appointment sticker box, so I decided to use that for Friday since that was the day that Jojo's parents were gonna come over, and I decided I would write the time and at what place we were gonna have some food at, so it was really neat. I then used that Amazon sticker to cover up some of the boxes for Friday and Saturday since there was still things to do but not as much, and I wasn't sure what we were gonna do for those days, so it was pretty neat to have a big sticker just cover up, you know, the unknown. We did have 2 plans that were set in stone for Sunday, which was wine tasting and also getting some frozen yogurt because it's been so hot that frozen yogurt has been saving us. So I already finished placing all of the stickers and it did seem pretty empty. And one thing's for sure is I thought the sticker book would come with some confetti stickers since it was kind of a celebration theme, but it didn't really come with much confetti stickers. So instead I just decided to use some of my midliners and I chose 4 colors and I just started to place little polka dots around the big stickers. I didn't want to do it on the to-do boxes or like any of the, you know, those days where I had to write to do stuff because I wanted to keep it clean, and I figured, you know, it's okay, I don't need to have confetti everywhere, although it does make it very cute. Once I was done with that, I figured that the quote of the week seemed pretty empty, so I just chose this arrow sticker and a heart to put right below it. It was then time to fill out the whole week, so I chose my Tombow Drawing Pen and I just got to work. And since we're on the topic of the quote of the week, for this quote of the week, it's "Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving," by Albert Einstein. And we are finally done! So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I definitely wanted to make it very cute and very bright, especially since this week was going to be very busy. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all a little later.